Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your rear window lock in the 2024 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an LX front wheel drive in Vesta Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, this is just a simple one just because I still get questions about this, but your rear window lock button is located over here on the driver's door with all the rest of your controls, and it's this button right here at the bottom. So right now the button is not pressed in, so if anybody were to go to use any of the window switches in the rear seats, of course your window will be able to go up and down. But if you don't want anybody mucking around with the windows in the back, you can go ahead and press this in and they can no longer use their window switch back there. You're in full control here in the driver's spot. Your passenger side front switch will still work, so your passenger can still adjust their window up and down, but this is just to stop anybody in the rear from playing with the window switches. And then as soon as you want to allow them access, you just go ahead and press this to release it. Now the button's up, and now they can use those window switches again. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.